Hi, I'm Elle McCann from Curious Themes Web Development Studio in Nashville, Tennessee. And in this video, we are going to go through setting up the Facebook pixel so that you can start advertising on Facebook and start actually collecting information and statistics about the amount of conversions or lead signups that you're getting from your Facebook advertising. So this is, of course, very important information to have because it's going to allow you to decide which ads to spend more money on, as well as, if you want to stop an ad if it's not working. So having this set up is very key. So we are in my Facebook Ads Manager right now. So I actually have a Business Ads Manager account because I have ads that I'm running for a few different online stores. So yours may look a little bit different than mine. However, if you go to your Facebook Ads Manager inside your Facebook account, it'll look something similar to this. And we are going to go to the Pixels area. So to do this, we're going to just click on this Ads Manager and go to All Tools and do Pixels. And then here you see this area of Create a Facebook Pixel. So we are going to go in and set this up for our site. So I'm going to be walking you through the steps of how to actually embed this Facebook pixel onto the back end of a Shopify store. So we're actually creating it for this store right here, The Delightful Gent, which sells men's accessories and bags and things like that. So this is what we will be advertising. So let's go in and create this pixel. These steps, though, are going to be the exact same whether you're actually creating this for a Shopify store or for a regular website. You're just going to have your implementation of where you put the code to be a little bit different. So we're going to hit this Create a Pixel. And you could change the name to whatever you want it to be. So we're just going to keep this The Delightful Gents Pixel since that's the store name. And click Next. So now it's going through in terms of how to actually integrate it yourself. So there's different options of either emailing the instructions to a developer, manually installing the code yourself, or using what we're going to be doing, which is using Shopify. So we're just going to click on this Use Integration. Now, if you weren't doing Shopify, you could always hit this Manually Install the code, and it'll walk you through the steps of where you need to actually install that code on your site. But we're going to hit this Use an Integration Manager, and we're going to hit Shopify from this list. And now it's walking us through exactly where to set this up. So where it's saying, let's hop into my back end of my Shopify store now. I am under Online Store and Preferences. And if you scroll down, you can see here this Facebook Pixel. So this is the Facebook Pixel area that we will be adding this into. So let's go back to our Facebook store. And so I'm going to just copy my pixel. So this is under the Enter your pixel, your Facebook Pixel ID. And I'm going to go back to my Shopify store and I'm going to paste my pixel in and hit Save. And now you can see it showing up there. Now, again, if you're not using Shopify and you're using like a WordPress site, it'll be actual code that you need to embed in the head area of your site. And so it'll have instructions for you there. So let's head back to Facebook and hit Next. And we're going to, it prompts us to check our pixel status. So we're just going to close out of this and we're going to refresh this. And now we are on the Facebook Pixels area. So it shows that we need to finish setting up our pixel. However, we've already gone through setting that up. So that tells me that they just haven't, as it says here, hasn't received any activity from your pixel. So now that we have saved that, let's go to our front end of the site and let's just refresh and let me click around. And this should activate that the pixel is now installed. So now let's head back to Facebook and I'm just going to hit refresh. And you can see now, since we clicked around just a little bit, it shows this last received in the last minute. So we can hit this details area and you can see more information about your pixel here. And so we'll actually see in terms of as you start having this for ads and selecting this pixel as where you want to track your activity, you'll start seeing more activity showing up here. So this is how you set up your Facebook pixel and get it all set up to start advertising with Facebook. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure to subscribe to get more video tutorials all about Shopify and how to extend the functionality of your online store.